Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make this holder for Easter egg. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. To make the project I was using DK cotton yarn. You don't need a lot of this yarn, and 3.5mm hook. We will start by working a slip knot. So twist your yarn and pull one end through. Insert your hook into a slip knot and tighten it. We will now work chain 2, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and yarn over, pull through, chain 2. Into first chain made, we will work 8 single crochet. So insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. First single crochet made. Insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Second single crochet made, and we will need to work 6 more. So I have all together 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I will need to slip stitch into first single crochet made. So insert your hook into this first single crochet. You can do it either by inserting into 1 loop or 2 loops. I'm trying to insert through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. We will need to tighten our slip knot by pulling on this end of yarn, and your first round is finished. To start the second round, we will work chain 1. This chain 1 will not count as a stitch, and in this round we will be working 2 single crochet into each single crochet from the previous round. So 2 single crochet into the first single crochet, 2 single crochet into second single crochet, and we will carry on working 2 single crochet into each single crochet from the previous round. So altogether you will have 16 single crochet in this round. And when you finish working your 2 single crochet, so you have 16 single crochet in this round, we will need to slip stitch into first single crochet made. We'll start again by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. Into the same single crochet as we slip stitched, we will work 1 single crochet. Into the next single crochet, we will need to work 2 single crochet. And the pattern repeat for this round is going to be 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and again 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and you will have altogether 24 single crochet in this round. And when you finish, you will need to slip stitch again into first single crochet made. Next 5 rounds will be worked in exactly the same way. So we are now working round 4, and further 4 rounds will be worked exactly in the same way as round 4. And we will start by working chain 1, which will not count as a stitch. Into the same single crochet as we slip stitched, we will work 1 single crochet. And into each single crochet from the previous round, we will work 1 single crochet. So we are keeping the number of single crochet the same. So carry on working 1 single crochet into each single crochet from the previous round, and at the end we will need to slip stitch into first single crochet made. And just remember, when you finish this round 4, you will need to repeat this round 4 more times. This round is going to be worked in a bit of different way. We will start by working chain 2, and this chain 2 will count as first single crochet plus chain 1. We will skip next single crochet and we will start pattern repeat for this round. Into the next single crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 1, we will skip next single crochet, and again into the next single crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip next single crochet, and again 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, chain 1, skip next single crochet, and carry on all the way round. And when we finish, we will need to slip stitch into first single crochet made. We will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. Into the same chain as we slip stitched, we will work 1 single crochet. Now we will work 1 single crochet into chain 1 space, and we will start repeating the pattern. 1 single crochet into single crochet, 1 single crochet into next, chain 1 space, and again 1 single crochet into next single crochet, 1 single crochet into chain 1 space, and we will carry on repeating the pattern 1 single crochet into next single crochet and 1 single crochet into next chain 1 space until we reach the end, and at the end we will slip stitch into first single crochet made. This is going to be our final round, and we will start by skipping next to single crochet. So we are not counting the single crochet where we slip stitched, but we are skipping next to single crochet. Into the next one we will work 9 treble crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into this single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. First treble crochet made. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Second treble crochet, and we will need together make 9 treble crochet. So this is my number: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we will now skip next to single crochet, and we will slip stitch into the next one. And we will be repeating the same pattern, so we will skip next to single crochet, into the next one we will work 9 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We'll skip next to single crochet, and into the next one we will work a slip stitch, and we will work this repeat until we reach the end, and I will show you where to slip stitch at the end, so where to work your last slip stitch. When we finish our last 9 treble crochet, the last slip stitch will be into the same single crochet as we slip stitched in the previous round. So make a slip stitch into the single crochet, and what I'm going to do, I will move my yarn to the back of my work to start weaving in the ends. So I will slip stitch somewhere at the back. I will make chain 1, fasten off, and I will need to weave in my ends.